Baylor Scott & White Health is one of the top 10 military-friendly employers in the U.S. The hospital group is ranked number 7 on the Victory's 2020 list in the category of government/nonprofit organizations. KAG's reporter Tristan Lewis shows us why it's important for members of the military to have help from their employers making that transition to civilian life.
Celestine Bowie is like most registered nurses. She's in the career to help people get better.
For me, it's just helping, making sure they're safe, and knowing that when they wake up, I'm providing a calm environment for them.
Celestine works in the post-anesthesia care unit at Baylor Scott & White Medical in College Station. But being a nurse was not always the path she planned on.
So I always wanted to do something in the medical field, but I wasn't sure it was nursing. So hence being a combat medic and EMT in the military.
Celestine joined the U.S. Army right out of high school. She spent the next 3 years of her life training and traveling the world with the military.
Basic training, I was at Fort Dix, New Jersey, and then after that we were all deployed to Desert Storm.
Celestine discharged herself when she decided it was time to go back to school.
The military did help lay the best foundation for me to transfer into nursing.
Celestine started with Baylor Scott & White in Temple in 1995. She moved and started working in the College Station location in 1999.
Pretty much the most of my civilian work life.
Celestine says that as a veteran, Baylor Scott & White go above and beyond supporting former military men and women.
Every year around Veterans Day, they do recognize their veterans, and I think they even have some little programs within the system for veterans if they need assistance.
Baylor Scott & White have facilities near Fort Hood and other military locations.
That transition coming in made it a lot easier because they worked more with the military family and military hospitals even.
Celestine says that having that support for military folks transition to civilian life is crucial. She says that she is glad she gets to work with many employed military veterans. In College Station, Tristan Lewis, KAG's News.
Baylor Scott & White also works closely with the Warriors Research Institute. It's dedicated to improving the quality of care to military veterans.